Our next item is a Canadian National Railway GMD-1 diesel engine passenger service. This comes to us from Overland Models, built in Korea by Ojin. This is a very rare piece, part of a 2002 run. There were just 30 made, and this is number 15. It has operating directional lights, excellent in-cab detail, and it's a fine runner, and we'll demonstrate that for you now. From a collector's standpoint, this would be a fine one to add to your collection. It is one that is holding its value, built by Ojin. And if you like it, it's item number 48910. That's 048910 at brasstrains.com.